This is it. This is the reason I cannot have myself involved with a woman to the point of marriage. This is it. Research has shown that 55% of children born in too many homes do not belong to the men who walk around town parading themselves as a biological father. That's not true.
What do you mean?
What I mean is simple. Extramarital affairs on the part of today's women is on the rise. Jay, would you believe if I tell you that 83.5% of married women right now, they cheat? Oh yes, they cheat. Look, they go as far as getting pregnant sometimes for this lousy boyfriend of theirs, and then put the child in the mouth.
Women are evil.
Oh, true. Not all of them, but most of them. I agree. And it scares me. By the way, what did you do to Lara and the young man?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Confirming what I went there to see, bro, I peacefully and quietly walked out of the hotel room.
Another reason I cannot do this. No. I cannot have a woman in my house as my wife and then this happens. Bro, if reverse were the case, right now you'll be coming to bail me at the police station because either Lara or that young man, somebody right now will be lying in mortuary.
But that wouldn't solve the problem.
It will not solve the problem. Yes, I agree. But both of them right now will be in the emergency unit of the hospital. They will know that they touched a tiger's tail. Go to the marry the faker. How can she insult you like that? Look, I know how you feel. I'm not trying to, walk you up. But this is just so painful and heartbreaking. But calm down, though. Calm down.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.